JINAN CNC company was established since 2005 in Jinan, China. The company has rich experience in research, development and production of CNC products. We provide customers with professional products and services in the stone processing industry. We mainly produce and sell stone cutting machine, stone machining center, stone engraving machine and other products. Our company's main export products include 5-axis bridge saw, 4-axis bridge saw and quartz stone countertop CNC machining center. The 5-axis bridge saw is a high-end product with intelligent visual functions. This product is the best-selling product on the market, with cutting functions such as horizontal cutting, vertical cutting, circular cutting, horse belly cutting, countertop cutting, four-sided 45-degree chamfering, profiling, etc., and can recognize external joints such as DXF and NC file. The machine is equipped with a visual system, which can take photos of the slabs placed on the machine to be processed. The machine software automatically locates the position and size of the slab, automatically nesting and optimizes the cutting path to maximize the utilization of the slab. Quartz stone countertop CNC machining center is widely used in the production and processing of various countertops, including basins, cabinet countertops, bathroom countertops, bar counters, kitchen countertops, dining tables, window sills, etc. The machine is equipped with an automatic tool changer, which is convenient and efficient. It can realize cutting, drilling, edging, polishing, and other functions, and complete a countertop at a time with high processing efficiency. We are a factory integrating production, research, and development. All our products have obtained CE, RoHS, and ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certifications, and have won many national patents. The company has a professional service team in research and development, production, sales, and after-sales. Engineers can customize the development system according to customer functional requirements. The after-sales service team and customers establish an after-sales service group to answer customers' questions through video calls and remote control of machines, and solve customers' installation and operation problems in a timely and efficient manner. JINAN CNC adheres to the development concept of JINAN CNC Keep Moving Forward, and wholeheartedly provides customers with high-quality products and services.